Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to change your theme on CoinStats account. So let's dive in straight into the video without wasting much of our time. Start off by open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in coinstats.app and press enter. Doing so will take you to the official site for CoinStats, and make sure that you're logged into your account as well. Once you're logged in, from the main homepage, click on the gear button appearing at the top right next to the search button. Now, you'll be able to see a theme option displayed in the pop-up. To change to a different theme, simply go ahead and toggle off the button and it'll help you change between a dark theme and the light theme for CoinStats. And that is how easily it can be done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.